Hey everybody, welcome back to Cree's Crafts, and today we are going to be making bracelets. But before we get on to the video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on notifications. Comment if you ever want me to make any other types of bracelets. So we're gonna make 2 bracelets in this video. I already made one. Here's mine that I just made. I literally just got this like maybe an hour ago. So this kit like an hour ago. So this is the first one I made. We are going to be making 2 more. The things you will need if you are following along are beads, string, something to put your beads in. You'll need scissors. You'll need something to hold your beads. It's optional if you want charms, and you need this little thingy, whatever you call it, and this to put your string in. And you will also need a holder like this or something if you want to. We don't need this because we're good. We don't need anything. So here we go. So first the colors. I'm gonna do the colors I'm gonna do are blue and white. So blue and white, and we're gonna do that. So after you have attached your string into your pick thing where you're gonna put your beads on, then you are ready to go. We're not gonna use this as much, but if we need it, then we're gonna use it. But I'm gonna put my little bracelet first. So, I'm gonna start with white, and then blue, white and blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, blue. The other one, you guys gotta give me suggestions on if I should keep doing videos of this or just do this video. But I gotta put not black, white. I wish I did have black. Do you think I should put a charm or just wait until the other bracelet? I think I'm gonna put one charm. Let's open this pack up. This is the colored charm I'm gonna be using. This right here, I don't know if you can see, but this is a flower, I believe it is a flower. Yeah, this flower. Yeah, it's purple. We're gonna put it in the middle of these of the beads of our bracelet. Okay, I don't know. So we're gonna do that, and then I think that's gonna be good. That's gonna be. Oh yeah, it can stretch. That's right. Okay, so we're gonna put this on right now. We're gonna put this one on right about here. Let's do. Since we did a lot of these already, we're going to put this one in the middle. And I will show you how it's going to be in the middle because this string is stretchy. So we're going to put that in. We're going to start with blue and then white. Blue and white. Blue and white. Wow, guys, look. These beads are stuck together. Oh my gosh. These beads are literally stuck together. These 2 beads are stuck together. Like, I can't even break it apart. Like, I can't. Here, let's try this. Let's try breaking it apart. No, I can't even break it apart. Yeah, this is so crazy. There's literally 2 beads stuck together. Like, wow. Okay, I guess we're gonna use another because, we can't, of course, use 2 beads, so that's not going to be a good idea. So, put this, I don't know if you can see here, let me go ahead and put that over so you can see what I'm doing here. Right here, I'm going to put a blue, a white, here, let me turn it around so I can get to the colors easier. Perfect. Wait, no, we need a little bit more on that. I think it's time to pull it through. Well, in a minute. It's time to just gonna. No, guys, we are not done yet. Don't worry. Not gonna be done yet. Not just yet. Ooh, okay. Hopefully that didn't go, it was almost about to fall off. So that was a good catch before it did fall off. I gotta watch this little stinker here. I'm gonna just put that there. Oh, I did do it when I was doing that, so I was like that. Okay, so here we go. I think we need one more row, like one more pattern. Two of patterns. So we're gonna do white, white, blue. Wait, yeah, white, blue, and then that's it. And then we're gonna tie it. I'll show you how to tie this. Ooh. This string, this little string, this string here. Wait. Oh, I forgot that it was connected. I sure did. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna grab it right here because it is about to fall off. So, just gonna grab, pull it right here, and then put the other ones on that fell off. Okay, here's the tricky part. You want to hold this tied around your finger so it won't fall off. But this is the part where it's pretty tricky. I'm going to take this part off, which is tricky, which I got right here. So, as you can see, the charm is in the middle right here. I got it. We're going to be tying it now. Since we got that out of the way, the trick to tying, I do make my bracelets small because, like, they're kid bracelets. Like, hey, what do you expect? But I do make necklaces too. So instead of another bracelet in this video, I think I'm gonna make another. Not another, but my first bracelet. So, necklace. Yeah. My first necklace. Okay. So we're going to tie this like we did. I actually tie them pretty tight because you don't want it to get the beads off or fall off. So I do tie them pretty tight. I'm gonna try to tie the other one on my other bracelet that I showed you in the beginning of the video. That one I tied like about 6 to 8 times. Like, honestly, I tied it 6 to 8 times because I do not want it to fall off, and I do not have glue. The kit says it comes with glue, but I do not have glue or either. Yeah, so this is my third time tying it. I cannot talk today. So one more time, and then I think that should be good. I think that's good. Let's try taking it out. Ooh, that's pretty strong here. Yeah. Uh-oh. Taking off. It's coming off. Coming on loose. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh, that's not good. That is not good. Here, I'm gonna tie it again because, I don't want it to come off again. If I have glue, then that would be great. Oh, I know what to do. I'm gonna ask if I can have glue, and I don't want to pause the video because then that won't be like, yeah. So I'm gonna be actually making a part 2 of this video. So this is the bracelet. I'm gonna go get some glue and see you guys back when I do. So this is part 1. Make sure you go to part 2. Do not think that you are going to stay on this video. So this video is about to end. Go to part 2 right now, and I will come back and see you later.